campervan is powered by an internal leisure battery, controlled by the panel found above the main entrance door. The button in the bottom right is the master switch that turns the control panel on. Top left is the aux button, which turns on all the USB and 12-volt sockets dotted around the vehicle. Next is the water pump. This will need to be turned on in order for the sink, shower and toilet flush to work. Always switch off when not required. Below that is the switch for the outside light. And below that is the button for the lights. Once on, you'll be able to turn on any of the lights using their individual switches. The button on the top right tells you the internal temperature of the campervan. Next is your battery levels. Push once to see the vehicle battery levels and once more to see the leisure battery levels. Next is your water levels. Push once to see the amount of water in the fresh water tank. This is displayed in increments of 25%. Push again to show how much water is in your wastewater tank. This will read as either 0 or 100%. You'll know when you are either running low on fresh water or have nearly filled the wastewater tank, as the relevant symbols will start to flash and the panel will emit a beeping sound. When the plug symbol appears at the bottom of the display, it means you are connected to electric hookup and the vehicle is receiving power. Batteries can be recharged by either starting the vehicle's engine or connecting the campervan to a mains power hookup. Note that the leisure battery will not power the 3-pin plug socket. In order for the 3-pin plug socket to work, you'll need to be connected to mains power via electric hookup or a generator.